Hi, so in this video we're going to remove a power steering pulley using this Reilly loaner tool. Put the threaded driver on the center of the pulley first. I'll put the two half-circle pullers in place around both the driver and the pulley shaft. And I'll put that circular retainer around the pullers. Now turn the driver clockwise until it's all cinched up. This is 5/8. Okay, so we have to have a 13/16 down here. And we can turn against each other here. Okay, we're going to crank this up a little bit in speed because it does take, a little effort to pull this pulley off. It's pressed on there pretty good. So for install, this is what we need. It's going to thread in here, so make sure you have the right size. This is the right size. But first, you're going to put the pulley on there. And this goes on. Just bottom it right out. And this is the element that's going to force it on. Okay, this is 11/16. And drive it on. So you're just going to keep going until it bottoms out. There we are. There it is, flush up against there. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe.